Okay, so I've been got nice out again, so I took the hammer and chisel, mainly the chisel, and just started digging it out. So I'm to harder wood now. It just doesn't fall out now. Yeah, I could chisel more out, but it's kind of hard area to get to. So I'm gonna, sometimes you have to call it good. I mean, I can try getting a little bit more, but I'm not gonna get much. It's starting to get hard now. And I even went up too. I cleared this out, and you can see what's coming out here. So lath and plaster, well, the plaster is. So I need to get creative now and fill this in. So I'm not sure which way I'm going to run boards, and I'm going to have to special cut them and everything. But yeah, I'll come up with something, and we'll check back later. But basically, this happened because that got compromised. So hopefully, I can keep that from happening again, and this will not happen again. So, and I could put some aluminum there, but I don't know if that'll help actually. Maybe. But once we complete all this, then there'll be a board on there, and then our moldings will go on there. So, it's going to be pretty protected at that point. Okay, let's get creative and let's get some wood. I got some treated lumber I've been holding out. I might use that. Okay, let's get that piece back in. Fortunately, I can feel it's hard over here, and I can feel it's hard here. So it's like right there. Probably there was a crack in here or something, and it got down to here and it just went in, or something like that. I don't know. Okay, let's get it filled in, get taken care of.